What's up, everybody? Anthony and Candace here, owners of Faithful Home Buyers KC. We're at our finished product here in North Kansas City off Topping, and I'm here to show you what our finished product looks like. Come along. We added the retaining wall and the added gravel here for the parking. We cleared out the extra trees over here, so we really opened up the space. We added our privacy fence and closed it off, so you have a nice front side yard and a huge backyard. We did an exterior paint on the siding. We got new windows installed. You come around over here. We opened up the patio, like I said. And here's that nice retaining wall. Let's go inside. Here's the front entrance. We opened it all up. And then, as you can tell, all new floors throughout, all new trim throughout, white trim conversion, our standard fireplace. This unit has 2 fireplaces and 2 living rooms, one on the main, one on the upstairs. This is a pretty cool layout, in my opinion. First time we did something like this. Drop down into the dining room, and then the kitchen is off to the other side. This house has 2 entry points, in my opinion, one over here and then one off to the kitchen, and we'll walk over there as well. But this kitchen really turned out nice, open concept. We really utilized the space really well. Really nice finishes, granite tops, soft closed cabinets, stainless steel appliances, laminate tops, recessed lights, can lights. It's very nice. Tile to the ceiling, backsplash. This is our typical product that we put out to the marketplace, and our customers really like the finishes here. All right, walking up into our second living room now. And then what we did to add value to this unit, we moved the washer and dryer onto the main living room floor from the basement. And then we added a half bathroom off the living room. Very beautiful. New toilet, vanity, laminate tops, all new hinges and doorknobs. Coming upstairs, we carpeted the bedrooms. Typical bedrooms, we added a closet in this one. We made this closet smaller and made the room bigger. So if you remember from our first video, the closet was here and there was really no need for that big of a closet in this room. So we utilized this room and gave it a standard size closet. This room over here did not have a closet, if you guys remember and go back to the other video. And this is the closet we added to make it a legal bedroom now. And then our bathroom, we kept our bathroom the same. We painted the vanities, new pools. The granite was there, new faucets, new light fixtures, new cabinets, or a new vanity. But the tile work in the tub was the same, vanity was the same. Here's the master suite. We added a mini split off here to bring it more airflow. And then we moved the closet over here to give this more feng shui layout. So now you got a walk-in closet. And we really maximized this space and made it look pretty cool, in my opinion. What was once a choppy layout is now functional and modern. And then last but not least, we'll go to the basement. Oh, let me talk about this living room right here, guys. I don't know if you remember, but that first video, this was walled off and it was a weird little hallway back here. And that's why we sectioned this off and made the washer and dryer and half bathroom and opened up this wall. We put that beam across and now we have a huge living room. This is what we're proud of now. Second living room, second fireplace. And then come downstairs. We didn't fully finish the basement. It was just the walls that are finished. The floors are painted, ceilings painted, recessed lighting. Homeowner can do whatever they want to it, but nice clean space. Utility room right here, half bathroom off to the side, or full bathroom, my bad. Stand-up shower, vanity, and toilet. And then coming out here, we gave the new homeowner a huge patio, concrete patio. This thing is massive. Lots of space. So many activities, so many. Got a septic tank right here, our natural gas tank right here, huge backyard.
Privacy fence.
Privacy, we gave him a new walkway, steps right here, walking up to another side of the house. But this is it, guys. This is normal product we put out. We love working with distressed sellers. and private lenders. This was 100% funded by one of our private lenders who are making double-digit returns on this. We should be getting offers on this here shortly, and it should be under contract shortly. But if you're interested in working with us on selling a property, buying a property, or being one of our lenders, please reach out to us, and let's talk offline and see if we're a good fit. Thank you for your time.